I've been down so long and they look up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me, straight up to my face. Hey, yo, that's a good song for them fake ass people out there. I never understood how people claim they don't like someone, talk shit about them behind their back, but they smile up in their face when they see them. Like, who raised you motherfuckers? Because I'm not like that. Like, if I don't like someone, 98% of the time, they don't exist. They just don't. I don't like you. I don't see any to talk about you. But, if push come to shove and I do decide to talk about you, you won't catch me smile up in nobody's face. If I don't like you, I don't like you. And that's that. You ain't got to worry about her talking to me or me talking to you. Because I'm not fake. It's just as simple as that. Like, I know there's people out there who don't like me. But then I know some of those people will be the same ones just smile up in my face like, hi, Rosanna. And I'm just like, okay, hi. Like, I don't know how to be fake. It's very hard. And even if I was trying to be fake, my body language and facial expression would give me up. So, ain't no fake. Like, to me, it's just childish. Like, how old are we? It's okay to not like someone. That's just how I feel. Like, we all don't like someone. It's life. Not everybody is going to be liked by everybody. But for you to sit there and dog somebody out, kick their fucking back in, and then as soon as you see them, you say hi to them, like, what is the purpose of that? If you don't like someone, keep your distance. Keep it moving. Bye. It's just corny to me to sit there and dog someone out, talk about them, and then you're in their face. This is what I'm going to say. If you don't like someone, don't talk about them and then be in their face. I'm not saying that you need to be disrespectful when you see them or anything. Like I said, we're grown. It's okay to not like someone. You don't even gotta talk to them. You don't, but if you want to talk to them, don't, because it's fake. But you don't gotta be disrespectful, you don't gotta be rude, just walk by people like you don't know them. I mean, some people will probably say that's rude too, but hey, I would rather somebody who I know don't like me and I know I don't like them, we just walk by each other. Just, run by me actually. I don't even want you breathing my air for 2 seconds. But guys, thank you for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. Ha, that bell. Ha. Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. Thank you for watching, guys. Mwah. Until next time.